Time to start sewing the shoe together. So we're at this step right now. I'm going to be stitching this right here, the lines, as well as making the tongue, showing you like how the process on how I do that. But as you can see, the first shoe I already finished stitching. I did the double stitch because that's how the shoes come, the real shoes. So double stitch right here, double stitch right here, double stitch right here, double stitch right here. And if you could see, it's pretty much the same thing as these customs that I just made, but double stitched on those, double stitched on those. So super happy with how they came out, but I'm gonna show you how to stitch these. For the tongue, I'm gonna do python on the top and underneath. I'm not too sure yet. I might not do them today just because I'm thinking about some material like it's like a plaid white and orange block design. So if I end up thinking about doing that, then I won't do the tongue, and then I'll do the I'll probably do the Nike swooshes right here. But you know, as I go throughout the video, obviously as I said before, my mind will change. But for now, I'm gonna do all the stitches, make them as clean as possible, as well as I'm gonna think about stitching this line. I don't know if I want to do it orange or if I want to do it black. I kind of want it to like be blended in so you can't really see the stitch, but at the same time, the orange thread that I have is like bright neon, you know, it's like this color. If you could tell, it's like bright orange and neon orange, or maybe if this is even easier. So it's like that, so it still stand out. So I'm not too sure yet. Gonna think about that, but for now, let's get to stitching. Double stitch the toe, lines, and we should go to the next step and see where it leads off. So it's day 2 in this video. As you can see, everything is double stitched. If that could focus, double stitch, you know, getting that look just like a factory look. So I'm super happy with how they're turning out. It already feels comfortable, feels like nice quality. So I was stitching this yesterday, but I ended up thinking about using an orange thread, and I have orange thread coming in today that I ordered about a week ago. So I decided to kind of set off and like not finish this, because I'm thinking about either doing orange thread right here, but then if the color doesn't match, I'll end up just doing black like normal. But I wanted to wait till the orange thread came in to see my options, see what it looks like, as well as I got to cut out the Nike sign to put right here, Nike sign to put right here. I got to stitch the lace loops on here, but you know, nothing too much. The shoe's like, I mean, the shoe's almost halfway done, probably halfway done. As you can see, I think I showed before the double stitch behind. So I mean, they're coming along together. But then it was about 10 o'clock at night, and I needed to do more stuff. So I started on my Union 1's. Let's see, the first shoe is all finished pretty much. So I got the lace loops right here. Cut them in half, stitch them together so it's a black and white, just like the real shoe. I think it's super cool and super unique, you know, all python skin, but then the top is still suede, some suede gray, if that will focus. So that's super cool, as well as the tongue. The tongue is all python as well. and then right now, or sorry, the toe box, and then the tongue right here that I'm cutting out. So I'm cutting out the bottom half, as well as I'm gonna stitch the top white piece right on here, so it's gonna look super cool, just like the normal shoe. And it was about 4 o'clock at night when I ended sewing, but the only reason why I stopped sewing was, if you see, if it will focus, I ran out of bobbin, so there's no thread right there. There's just holes. So I started and then ran out of thread. Didn't notice it until I was done, and then I was like, well shoot, that sucks. So I just ended up going to bed because it's super loud and super long to do bobbins. So today I'm gonna wind up some bobbins, get that ready. I'm gonna finish the lace loops right here, and then I might put the wings on as well. And from there I'm gonna take off, go get all the other materials, and then we'll cut and sew more. So let's get back to sewing. So I'm pretty much done with the Union 1's for now. I'm now waiting for the liner to come in. The liner that's going to be on the inside, that's going to touch your sock. So I'm done sewing all that together, as well as the orange came in today. If you could see the orange, it's, you know, close enough where I like it. So I'm going to stitch this orange right here. And then from there, I'm going to cut out the Nike signs. I think I'm going to stitch that on as well with the orange, maybe black, I'm not too sure. But I'm going to do that, stitch the back, I'm pretty sure, as well with the orange, so I think that'll be cool. Also, got a cool little lamp right here, so now I could actually see what I'm sewing on. So, got that little mechanism going on, as well as a little thread tree over there, so that's cool. But as of now, we got orange thread, so let's start sewing with this. So it's day 3 of this video. I'm pretty much done with as much as I could do with this shoe, as well as my Union 1's. I ran out of material, and the material that I ordered a while ago still hasn't come in, so I gotta wait for that. But until then, you know, this is kind of what it looks like. Super cool. I was going for different colors for the Nike swoosh, but then I cut out some white and I put it on there, and I really liked how it looked. So that's what we're gonna run with. I might change the back pieces white as well. I'm not too sure, but I think it's super clean, super cool. Let's see. The stitching is, you know, super aligned, super clean. Really happy with the performance with that. But if that will focus in, you know, the Nike, just super clean stitching, so I'm super happy about that. But you know, this is as much as I got right now. Not too bad. Look at, boom, what about if I just wore it like this? That'd be cool too. But until then, you know, this is where we're at with this. This is where we're at with the Union 1's. It'll probably be another day or two until the materials come out or come in. So then I could start with the lining, start with all the other areas. But you know, this is pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down, you know, what other ideas you have about these shoes. I'm going to be making more in the future. Just got to wait for the materials. But until then, thanks for watching, and see you next time.